Miss Stephanie Stitches here. Welcome to my channel where together we sew. If you're brand new here, thank you so much for coming by. I love having you here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and ring the bell for notifications so you'll know when I post videos or go live. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. I love seeing all your comments down below. Don't forget to hit the like button at the bottom of this video if you like it. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button twice. So today I've got some fun happy mail. I got my Pastry Shop Quilt box. I love this box. You guys know how much I love this box and I can't wait to get this open. I took out the outer wrapping. I cut the seal, but that's all I've done, so I can't wait to see what's inside. This is treat box number 6. This comes from Pastry Shop Quilts out of Texas. The owner there's name is Cherie, and she's a very sweet lady, a small shop, and I love supporting small businesses. So I get this box for review from her, but the opinions are my own. But I want to thank Cherie again for sending this to me because I absolutely love this box. So let's see what's inside. Okay, let's get box 6 of the Pastry Shop Quilts box of treats open. There we go. So the inside comes looking like this, and it even says, "Thanks so much, Cherie." That's cute. See what's in here. She always has such goodies for us. So she always puts a little note right on top. Treat box number 6. Oh, I like what I see so far. Candy corn stars. Treat box number 6, candy corn stars, is here. This box has been in the works for a long time now, so I'm excited it's finally shipping just in time for Halloween. This quilt features April Rosenthal's Midnight Magic 2 collection. A midnight star block and a pumpkin block are tossed among a candy corn sprinkles border. I used April's Twinkle Ghost print for the background because it has tiny black and orange stars and blends perfectly with April's Midnight Magic prints. Your box includes a jack-o'-lantern faced cut-it-out zipper bag, perfect for holding all those little pinwheel blocks for the border. In keeping with the cut-it-out bag, there's also a pair of Halloween-colored embroidery scissors. For a tasty fall treat to theme out your box, you got it, candy corn! Yay! As an added bonus, there's a Boo Band-Aid and a Halloween quilt tag for your finished quilt. For all that sugar we consume at Halloween, enjoy some calorie-free sugar with your mini charm, Sugar by Ruby Star. There's a Ruby Star pattern card for a pillow to make with the charm. Have fun sewing, have a safe Halloween, and enjoy your box. Hope you love it. Happy sewing, Cherie. That's so nice. I love her notes. They're so sweet. She does such a good job. Oh, goodness, you guys. This pattern is so right up my alley. This is why I love her boxes. Her patterns are exactly my style. Look at those pumpkins. I love pumpkins. And the stars. And the pinwheels. Oh, this was made for me. So this quilt is called Candy Corn Stars. It's an original by Cherie from Pastry Shop Quilts. And it comes out to 64 by 64. You need 2 charm packs, 10-inch square of orange twinkle, 15-inch black twinkle, 1/4 yard of black check, 1/4 yard orange check, 1/3 yard orange floral, 3.5 yards background, 1/2 yard binding, and 4 yards backing. Oh, I love it. This is so pretty. I can't wait to make this. Okay, then we have, oh, this is what I actually talking about. Cut it out bag. Let me open this up. Very nice. It's a, sorry, that makes a lot of noise. It's a canvas zip bag that you can keep pieces of your quilt in, or you can keep notions in. Really, really nice. This is from Riley Blake. I love these little bags. I have so many bags in my space, but I just love them. I feel like you can never have enough. Okay, so there's the pattern. And then she also included this sugar swatch pillow pattern. Nice. That's from Ruby Star Society, which is Moda's Modern Fabrics. And then we got, oh, how cute. We got this Boo Boo Band-Aid. It's my color with little bats on it. And then we got, oh, that's cute, this little Boo tag. That could be for your bag. Beautiful fabric. Hang on just a second, I'll open those. Here's the Midnight Magic 2 charm packs for the quilt. I love this line. This line was the one last year that came in really late, almost after Halloween. And so the designer unfortunately didn't get to sell a lot of it, so a lot of people are selling it this year, which is awesome. Okay, so we've got this orange floral. This is one of April Rosenthal's, well, it came from Midnight Magic too, but she has it in her basics too, the stars. So there's little white stars on this. It kind of looks like dots. I'm not sure if it'll look like stars in the camera. If I get it closer, no, it still kind of looks like dots. But there's little stars on, little white stars on there. Oh goodness. Cherie, I think this might be my favorite box yet. Then there's orange check, gingham check. And then there's black gingham check. Awesome. And then we have a little pair of snips. Oh, I have these ones. I love these. These are great snips. Glad to have another pair. And then we have this little mini charm. It's Sugar from Ruby Star Society. It's one of their basics. And it's a really pretty basic. It's not quite the same as April Rosenthal's. It's got dots instead of stars. And they're sort of random dots. They're not in like a pattern. You can see that. But I love this. I actually have fat quarter bundle and sugar in my stash. Ooh, and then we got some candy corn. I know who's gonna want that. My daughter Sarah, she loves candy corn. And then we got some black silk finish cotton. I'm pretty sure this is 50 weight. Yeah, 50 weight thread for the project. And just make sure I'm not missing anything. That's that. And that's an awesome box. Oh my goodness, Cherie, I think you about done yourself. So, cannot wait to make this project. Again, the black gingham, and then the orange gingham. So it looks like we've gotten everything we need to make this quilt top except the background fabric, which is totally fine because most of us have plenty of solids in our stash. I know I do. And we got the charm packs and all the other yardage that we need. So I cannot wait to make this project. I love pumpkins and stars. Those are my two favorite things to make. So I'm going to get started on this pretty quickly. Here's the whole picture bigger. Love it. Oh, awesome job. Great box this month. This again was Pastry Shop box number 6. And if you have not heard of Pastry Shop Quilts, go over and check out her website. I will put the link in the description box down below. Not only does she do a wonderful subscription box, which comes out about every, I always forget this, it's not monthly, I want to say it's like every 6 weeks or so. And then she's also right now doing a block of the month, which I'm sewing on my channel for her. And it's great. It's patriotic block of the month called Patriotic Days. So if you're interested in that, the link will be down below for that too. We've only done 2 months so far, and you could easily catch up. So go ahead and check it out. And if you go over to Pastry Shop Quilts and you decide to sign up, let Cherie know that I sent you over, so she knows that you're watching me. Alright guys, I hope you have a wonderful evening, and I will see you later this week, but I hope you enjoyed this box opening. I love it. This is my favorite one yet, and I've loved every single one of her boxes, but oh my goodness, this pattern. And I will leave you with a picture of this, because it's gorgeous. Alright guys, bye-bye.